So hi family, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve a big high puff on short natural hair. So first I'm going to be spraying my hair with a little bit of water just to make it wet, a little bit moisturized, and then I'll go on and finger detangle it just like you can see. So I went ahead and opened my hair off camera. I'm going to be unruffling or opening these two remaining strands or knots. I'll go in with a little bit more water and then I'll take my aloe vera oil. I make this oil myself, so if you're interested in watching a video on how I make that oil, of course let me know in the comment section below so I can put it up for you guys. So applying my oil, I'm just trying to make sure that I cover my roots, my edges, and all the tops of my hair and scalp in the oil before I go in and style the hair. So I'll go on with my Kuza hair food. I love this hair food, but if you have any other hair food you use, of course you can go on and put a little bit in your hair too before you go on and style it. So after that we're gonna go on with our eco gel, and I'm gonna be using my baby hair brush. So just like you can see, I'm just applying the eco gel on all over my edges and all over the hair around the perimeter of my head. So, and this time around I'm not just putting on the edges, but I try to make sure that it goes a little bit high on the hair because I'm going to be holding a high puff. By the way, if you want to watch a video on how to achieve, of course, also a high puff on your short natural hair, I also have a video like that on my channel, so you can also check it out. I'm going to be attaching it in the cards above and also in the comment section below. But this here, we're going to be adding on a fake extension to make that big high puff. So what I'm doing right now is to separate my hair into two parts, the front part and the back part. This is gonna help me to hold my puff exactly in the right place where I want it, because my hair at the back is too short to come at the front. So I'm gonna be putting the front hair in a puff and do the same thing also with the back hair. So with the help of an elastic band, I'm gonna go on and hold my hair in place exactly where I want it into a small puff. After that, I'm gonna go on and do the same thing with my back hair, silk it out, brush it through to make sure that everything is silked and in place, and then I go on and put it on a small puff just like I did with the front part. We're gonna go on with our elastic band too. So what I'm gonna do right now is to get the small puff from the back of my head and add it to the front part with the help of that third elastic band. So the reason I do this is because I don't want to stress my back hair to pull it a lot to bring it at the front puff. So this helps me that I don't put a lot of stress at the back hair since it's already in another puff. So that's it guys, just like you can see, I'm just trying to silk everything down, and after that we're gonna go on and wrap our hair. Now I'm gonna grab my satin wrap and go on and wrap my hair all around the perimeter of my head and leave this wrap on for about 30 to 35 minutes, and then we'll be back. So right now the 30 minutes are over, and I guess our hair should be dry at this time. So what we're gonna do is to go in with these extensions that I bought from AliExpress. Actually, they came 2 in the pack for $8. So that's what I'm gonna be using, but I'm only gonna be using one of them. It's really full. It's a very full piece, and it has a stopper that helps you to sit it down properly. As well, it's very elastic and it's very neatly finished. So it's very soft. I really love this piece. What again it comes with are the 2 Wicombs, which are gonna help us to sit this piece in place. So we're gonna be fixing these 2 wig combs from the sides of my head. I really love to do it like this, but if you want to do it like front to back, you can always go in and do it front to back, but I prefer doing it like this because I feel like the wig is always more secure. And after that, of course, we can go in and pull the strands that attach to the stopper to make sure that everything is fixed and tightened properly. So to hide the strand from the stopper, you just roll it around your puff and then fix it in the stopper itself or sit it down with a pin inside your hair. So that's it guys, like the puff looks already finished. However, it looks a little bit big for me, but if you want it that puffy and that big, you can leave it like this at this moment. So I'm going to be using some pins to hold it down just to make sure that it's not too big so it can look natural. At this moment you can go on and give it a small trim, but I didn't want to trim it because I felt like later I might want to use it as big as it is. So that's it guys, I really love how it turned out. Yeah, so if you do this puff or if you try out this style, please let me know in the comment section below how you found it, and if you like this video, don't forget to give us a like, a comment, and of course subscribe if you're new here. So love you all guys, we'll see you in my next video, and peace. I sign out.